Good afternoon, everyone. And how are you doing today? I hope by the grace of God, you are doing good. My name is Evans Ifuati-Kwao, and a teacher of CIA. Welcome to our phonics lesson, and as usual, we are going to continue where we got to on the other day. We are going to continue from the last letter that we learned. Okay, the letter that we are going to learn today is after letter K. And what letter is that? Is letter L. Is letter L. So now you may see two different shapes here. And the first one that is written in blue color is the uppercase L, and the one written in the red color is the lowercase l. So today we are going to talk about letter L. As I have said earlier on, uppercase L and the lowercase l. Good job. This letter has a sound, and the sound was from eating lollipop. L, 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 L. Good. So L, 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 L. So now you can practice with me. Okay, so let's go together. L, 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 L. Okay, you have about 10 seconds to do it by your own or by yourself. Okay, good. So the sound is L, 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 L. Good. Now I have some pictures here to show you. And these pictures, their words also start with the sound L, L, L. So let's look at the first picture. What animal is this? This animal sometimes bark like ooh, ooh, ooh. What animal is this? If you are able to say lion, then you are correct. Lion, lion, lion. Good. Good. Okay. Good. So now we said lion. So let's pronounce together. L, 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 lion. L, 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 lion. L, 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 lion. You can practice with me, or you can practice at the time that you prefer to do it. Okay, now let's look at a new picture. What is this? And what is the name? If you are able to say lamp, you are correct. And this is lamp. 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 So this is lamp. Okay. Now let's pronounce with a sound. Lamp. 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 Now let's look at how we write these words already on the board. The first one is lion. And the second one is lamp. So all the letters underlined sound as lamp, lion. Okay, good. Now I have another picture to show you. What fruit is this? Do you like this fruit? No, I know you don't like it. Yes. Okay, so if you are able to say lemon, then you are correct. Good. So now let's pronounce with its sound. Okay. Lemon. 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 And this is how we write lemon. Good. Okay, now let's take the last picture for the day. And this picture, I really like it. Okay, what is this? What is this? Look at me, look at my mouth. Okay, good. Okay, so this is lollipop. 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 Okay, good. So good. Okay, so now let's go. Lollipop. 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 Now let's look at how we write lollipop. So now this is letter L and it sounds as L. And all of these are objects with their name that start with the sound L. So now let's take it again. Lion. Lion. Lamp. Lamp. Lemon. Lemon. Lollipop. Lollipop. So now we know the letter name and its sound. So let's look at how we write letter L. To write letter L, that's how we write letter L. You start at a point, you draw a line like this. Okay, and then so you draw the first vertical line, under it then you draw horizontal. Good. Now let's trace and make it L. Lollipop. So this is the uppercase L. Now let's look at the lowercase l. So this is the lowercase l. Okay, let's also trace to make it 4L. So now, this is how we write the both uppercase and lowercase l. Okay, now let's go over again the lesson. This is letter L, uppercase and lowercase. The sound is L, L, L. L, 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 lion. L, 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 lion. L, 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 lamp. L, 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 lamp. L, 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 lemon. L, 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 lemon. L, 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 lollipop. L, 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 lollipop. And this is how we write letter L, both uppercase and lower case. For more video, you can follow us on our YouTube channel and Facebook page, CIA, for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.